Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of cookwithrayo. Today I'm gonna be filming how I prepare my Valentine dessert recipe. This recipe is a big time game changer, very affordable and very cheap. Yeah, it is so attractive. Guys, stay tuned while we get into the video. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, why not consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. For this recipe, I will be needing some plain Greek yogurt, sliced strawberry, some strawberry jam, and my basil leaves. You can replace it with mint leaves, it's just for the topping. And you will also be needing some chopped strawberry for the topping as well. So next thing is to grab your dessert plate. I'm gonna start by adding my yogurt to my dessert plate because it will hold the strawberry. So this stage, it doesn't really matter what you put first or what you put last. It's just to be creative. But I'm gonna start with my yogurt, then I'm gonna add my strawberry, then I'm gonna add some more yogurt, then the strawberry jam, and also I'm gonna top it up with some strawberry as well. To be honest, there is no how you place your desserts or parfait that is not placed. It's just depend on how creative you are. So I'm just gonna be adding some more yogurt, then I'm gonna top it up with some strawberry. So we're just going to keep repeating the same process till we are done with the plate or cup, whatever it is you're using. In between, happy Valentine in advance. Even though I'm not a big fan of it, because I believe love is something that is supposed to be shared every day with everyone around you. But since they decided to celebrate it on this special day, I mean, why not join them? Anyways, don't be carried away with Valentine. I'm just gonna be topping this up with some chopped strawberry and basil leaves. You can also top it up with some coconut chips or your strawberry syrup. And because this particular video is dedicated for Valentine, I decided to tie some ribbon on my plate and spoon. Then we are just going to be serving this. I promise you, anybody you did this for is going to really fall in love with you more than ever. Look at that! I'm sure you like what you're seeing already. Kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to check the recipe for my strawberry jam video that I made for this recipe. See you in another video. Until then, be healthy, be safe, be happy, love you.